Along with this week market update, we are going to see what will be the price of Hindustan Copper in 2024 and 25, and whether this correction has been over or not, or one more dip is possible. We are going to discuss. And additionally, I'm going to share how we identified this exact low in this Hindustan Copper chart. Hello traders, welcome to the channel. Today 14th June, Nifty ends this week at 23,465 and Bank Nifty at 50,000. See, the entire week is full of sideways. In last week video, we discussed that the price may face resistance in both Nifty and Bank Nifty, and as we discussed, both Nifty and Bank Nifty faced resistance here. So expected Nifty to stop at the all-time highs, and the price stopped at the all-time highs, and entire week is full of sideways. And if you see in Bank Nifty, this is a screenshot which I took from our last week video. When the price was trading around 49,800, I marked that 50,195, 200. 50,200 could be the rejection point, and a wave 4 correction is possible. See, exactly the price stopped at the 50,200 plus, and the entire week full of sideways and not cross that price. Okay, so this is what we analyzed and exactly happened this week. But only one thing is, the price not retraced to the expected minimum level of 49,300 and what is this level? 49,000. So we expected 49,300 to 49,000, but that correction has been not met. So now the question is whether this fourth wave, so counted as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the fourth wave has been completed or not. See, the fourth wave have two types of corrections: time-wise correction or price-wise correction. Sometimes it have both. Here, the time-wise correction has been met. The entire week is full of sideways, but the price correction has been not met. This is the situation now. So what I can see here is this can be a sideways fourth wave, and this is one option. Since the entire week has moved sideways, and the price may start moving higher. This is one option. We need to wait for a clear breakout on upside or breakdown. So we need to wait this week. I usually approach in this way. Since the minimum requirement itself not met, I will wait for whether it gives a breakdown or breakout. So if it gives a breakdown, as like we analyzed in previous week, the targets can be 49,330 or 49,000. So these are the probable targets, and the price may start moving higher to make all-time highs. So that's the view. The view has been not changed. Whether the doubt is whether we completed this minor fourth or not. That's the situation. So by seeing this, the price is taking the time-wise correction, and possibly this may take this shape and move upside or directly move upside. We want to see. If it breaks down, we will look for this support, right? And if you not yet watched my previous video, kindly watch it, because we have discussed the total Indian stock market like Nifty, Bank Nifty, and broader markets, mid cap, small cap, everything in detail analysis, right from 2020 low to 2024-25. We discussed a lot about our view about the Indian stock market in 2024 and 25. So if you not yet watched that video, please have a watch so that you can have a better view on the markets. Right, so this is the approach in Bank Nifty now. So it is taking a triangle shape as of now. So let us wait for this breakout or breakdown. If it moves like this, price possibly may touch the all-time highs in Bank Nifty. If it moves like this, okay, I expect to minimum to touch the all-time highs. Let's see if it moves like this, but any pattern changes, the target may change. So why I analyzed first the Bank Nifty instead of Nifty, because in Nifty this price action can be taken as a ending diagonal. Okay, so if it is ending diagonal, the price should come lower, but not a deeper correction. Even though if it comes lower, I'm expecting this is the end of only subwave 3. But suppose, please understand, if the bank Nifty wants to move higher, okay, this shape and this Nifty cannot be the ending diagonal, and it can be a running flat situation. Okay, so 3 A, B, C, D, E and move higher. Okay, so as per Dow theory, both indices should move in a similar way. Please understand, bank Nifty take this shape, Nifty also will come, maybe touch one more time this trend line around 23,380, 370 and possibly can move higher. Anyway, we need to wait for a clear breakout or breakdown. Suppose it gives a breakdown. The first support is 23,200. Okay, and based on its speed and approaching, we can see that the next target can be 23,000 and another thing is 22,800. So these are the possible support, because I'm expecting only wave 4 only. Even though it gives a breakdown, I'm not expecting a deeper correction. So possibly 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, this is second option. So probably, or most probably, I believe time correction has been done, so the price should move higher. So A, B, C, D, E in confirm with the bank Nifty. And move higher, maybe here, maybe slight change may happen if it directly gives the breakout, right? Both option is open. So this is the understanding now. So we need to wait for a clear breakout, which side it gives a breakout, because see, the things are like in top down approach is, first we are expecting it's a wave 4 correction. For a wave 4 correction, minimum 23% is minimum expected. Here 23% itself not reached in bank Nifty and Nifty. Okay, in Nifty, so it may be a complex correction also. Okay, 23% comes to 23,000. So whenever the minimum expectation itself not reached, I will look for some other complex correction and I'll wait whether the charts gives a clear view like breakout or breakdown. So that's the idea, and this is the view for next week. So now we are going to see the long-term analysis of Hindustan Copper. So what will be the price? So what will be the position of Hindustan Copper in upcoming 2024 and 2025? So we will start this analysis from the 2020 low. Okay. So this is wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4 and wave 5. These prices are not to be considered now. And A, B, C or WXY. I am going for simplicity ABC, right? See, you know that B waves can come in a triangle. Triangle plays an important role in a Elliott wave study. So whenever you spot a triangle, it will give an advanced clue what will happen in the future. If you are my course learner, you understand now why the triangle comes here and what are things happened after this triangle. Please have a look into this. And C wave, wave 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. What is this low of this? Wave C around 80. Okay. See, in June 28, 2022, when Hindustan Copper was trading around 90, so ending pattern in wave C and now wave A equal to wave C and price at multi-year retest zone and also at 61.8% retracement level. Lot of things happening here. The most important thing in Elliott wave theory is we need to combine other things. Okay, not going with only a one wave pattern or RSI or fib numbers. Okay, we need to combine other things. See, it's an ABC. A corrective pattern will be a three-wave pattern ABC, and you can find the ABC pattern. Fine. Then a B is a triangle. That already gives an important clue. And C, we have an ending diagonal. See, ending pattern. Ending pattern here is ending diagonal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are A, B, C, D, E. And most importantly, 61.8% support from this low. The important support for wave 2. And you can see a multi-year support trend line. That is optional, but it also gives an important evidence that the price at very important support zone. I shared on 28th June. 28th June is, see exactly the low. Once the low done, I have shared this chart. To capture the low point, we need to combine multiple factors. Okay, that gives a solid evidence. Fine. So this is how I identified the exact low in the Hindcopper, the endpoint of wave 2. So now we come to the analysis. So this is wave 1 and wave 2 and we are in wave 3. Whether wave 3 completed or not, we will discuss. I'll keep aside this wave 4 and wave 5. So understand that a bigger wave 4 and wave 5 is still pending in Hindcopper. Fine. Now, from this low point, I'm again start counting this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. Third wave mostly will have 5 subwaves. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 3 of 3, 4 of 3, and 5 of 3 need to continue. Okay. So the wave 3 itself not yet over. Probably the 3 of 3 completed, and we are doubting that whether 4 of this 3 completed or not. We will discuss that in a while. And the important thing I want to share for my learners, I could see some charts that many are having a wave 1 here. See, this is not impulse wave. Wave 1 is an impulse wave. You cannot mark it as 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, this is a 3-wave move, and for this kind of move, this much wave 4 is very rare. So I doubt. So I mark it as wave 1 here. Nothing changed, but I am sharing the learning. So what will be this? It's a irregular flat or expanded flat. If you are a learner in my Elliott Wave course, please kindly check this fib numbers for wave B, wave C, and wave 2. You will get why I am marking like this. Okay, each and every wave have a particular fib number and characters. Okay, so I already gave a clue that it's an expanded flat. Just check in your chart that what is the wave B, what is the wave C fib numbers, and wave 2 fib numbers. That will give a very important idea for you. And I already shared that whenever you get expanded flat, you will have a much better wave 3 or upcoming rally. So that's why we are witnessing here. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we need to confirm whether this wave 4 has been completed or not. So wave 4 possibly reached 23% to 38%. So in this case, it reaches already 38%. But it's looking like a very sharp move, not able to see a clear 3-wave down. Whether we completed this correction at 290 or is there any possibility of coming lower again to 275 to 250, we will discuss. So at a long term, so we are in wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4 and wave 5 to complete the bigger wave 3. If the price stops here itself, there is a higher chances that the price may face some resistance around 460 to 470. Okay. We need to see how the price approaches that level. It may face some rejections because we need a further clues whether we don't know whether we completed the wave 4 or not. So we need to see whether the price getting rejected at 460 to 470 or not. Okay. But please remember, the commodity stocks have a tendency of a bigger wave 5. Okay. All this can be 1 of 5, 2 of 5 and 3 of 5 also may proceed. So we need to wait for each wave to develop. So the idea is, if the price gets support here or even here, okay, one more low to 250 or 270, we need to see whether the price facing rejection at 460 or 470. Even if it face rejection, it is completion of only wave 3 and wave 4 is pending and wave 5 to proceed. As I said, now the commodity stocks have a higher tendency of a bigger wave 5, even more than a wave 3. There are higher chances. So Hindustan Copper also may have an extended wave 5 to much more highs. So we will discuss how the price develops. In a nutshell, the price, the next stop or resistance may be around 460 to 470. I believe a long way to go. So, and this is the expected route of it. How the price moving around 460, 470, then we may decide the next target. Okay, this is the approach. Fine. Now coming to this particular wave, whether we completed the correction or not. I remove other things. I go to the hourly chart. See, this is the completion of wave 3 and we are marking it as a wave 4. See the character, this is very fast, but listen, sometimes the panic, when you are facing the panic selling or fearful selling, the price will fall like this and you cannot find a clear 5 subways. And one important Elliott Wave tip is, whenever you face a fast selling like this, there is a higher chance of a truncated wave 5. But truncated wave 5s are very, very rare. So rare patterns I will not take into consideration until it is confirmed. So if I am completing this wave 4 here, what I can count here? So it can be wave 1, wave 2 and wave 3 and wave 4 and wave 5 to proceed. If you notice, when it was trading around 329, I just shared a couple of days back, since the minimum retracement has been done, we can assume the correction has been over. So this is the assumption. See, in Nifty, Bank Nifty, the minimum retracement is not done. So in that case, I'll wait for confirmation, or it may take a complex correction. All these things I will consider. But here the minimum retracement has been done. So I mark wave 4 has been completed here. At the same time, if the price comes below 320, okay, 320, okay, 320, and instead of turning higher from 325, so the expected view is, if the support has been done, okay, the correction has been done, the price should get support above 325 and move higher. That's the view so far. I think I shared here, the price is getting support at 328, 329 as of now. So we need to see. So if the price comes below 320, it gives a first signal that there is a possible of still correction has been pending. Please understand this logic. Okay, the price comes below 320 levels, you should be cautious that there is a higher chance of still correction is possible. That's why I said it's a first signal. And the second signal is if it comes lower below 310 with fast nature, okay, 310 around this level. On fast nature, there is a possibility of one more low to complete the correction. You got it? So you should see the price action now. It's very close to our market levels. So if the price takes support around 325 itself and moves higher, there's a higher chance that correction has been over and we can safely mark wave 4. But the price comes to 320, that's the first signal. We need to be cautious and consider, as I said, you need to combine all of the things. And if the price comes faster below 310 with gap down or fast nature, please understand all these should be given importance, should be considered collectively. So if it comes below 310 with a fast nature, we may assume that one more low is possible, that is 275 or 250, that 50%, right? 38% to 50%. This is 38%. So it may give one more a double bottom or 250 to get support and start to move higher for our expected level of 460 to 470. Okay, see all these levels we need to understand with the characters, wave patterns and fib numbers. Okay, see all these numbers and all these patterns and characters are very much important in Elliott wave. So if you want to learn how to analyze this, see we identified exact low point here. If you bought Hindcopper at 90, see the return now. When combining all of those things, this is the exact support 90 and now it reaches almost 400 plus. And see all these things levels 325, 320, 310. So every level has a significant meaning. And if you notice here, I said right, expanded flat. You cannot mark all these pattern as expanded flat. There are certain conditions where will the B wave will stop, where will the C wave will stop, exact reversal, right? So there are a lot of other conditions in Elliott waves, and if you want to learn these things in a professional way, in much more practical way, 100% practical way, you can learn my course. I'll give all the details in the description. See, in last week only I shared two charts, which is MGL and expected support around 1200, and we discussed this in February. When we analyze the MGL in February, we analyze the three wave pattern. I think I showed in previous week video also. So exactly got supported 1200. One more chart, Sun TV. While the price was trading here in February, I expected the price to get support here. Okay, and you can see from exactly the price got support around 575. Okay, 568 exactly, and this is what the level we expected. And see the price now, 700, even it crossed more than that, almost 800. Okay, this is how we analyze the stocks. And I can show the MGL chart also. See, when the price was trading around here, okay, in March first week, we analyzed that it will move higher and come lower to 1200. Okay, all the videos are shared in the course material. So I am not giving any recommendations here. So this is how we analyze. So all these things are making you to equip in most practical way of understanding the Elliott waves. My intention to create the Elliott Wave course is to make you become independent. After learning and practicing, you should not worry about other analysts' view or opinion. And that includes me also. You should be very independent. See, that's what I'm saying. I shared this video when it was trading around here. I said the price will move in B wave and comes to 1200 in C and start moving higher. See, all this happened exactly, and the exact low was around 1180. That's why I named the course as Waves Leads the Price. If you are interested in learn the Elliott wave in most practical way and to become expert in Elliott wave, you can register my course. I will give all the details in the description. If you like my work and if you like my market analysis views, kindly subscribe the channel and share it with your friends and traders. So thank you so much for your support. This weekend is a long one, holiday on Monday. So trade safe, happy weekend, take care.